Welcome. If you want to disable Passkeys on the X app, follow these simple steps to make it quick and easy. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're in, tap your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up your profile options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you manage your account's key features. Now tap on Security and Account Access. From there, go to the Security section. Here, you'll find the Passkeys settings. Find the Passkeys option and toggle it off. To confirm this change, the app will ask you to enter your password. Enter it carefully and confirm. After disabling Passkeys, you'll see an option to delete a passkey. Tap on that to remove any existing passkeys associated with your account. That's it. You've successfully disabled Passkeys on the X app, and your account will now require your standard password login instead. Disabling Passkeys can be useful if you want to return to traditional password security or if you're troubleshooting login issues. Just remember, while Passkeys offer strong security, toggling them off means relying on your password for account protection. Follow these steps anytime you want to disable or remove Passkeys on X, and you'll be back to your usual login method in no time. Thanks for watching.